Hi and welcome to my beauty space. My name is Adrina. Today's tutorial is going to be on this smoky matte brown eyeshadow look. Let's get started.
Starting off with this pinky nude shade as my transition color. This is perfect for my skin tone, but if you're looking for a transition color, try finding a shade that is 1 to 2 shades darker than your natural skin tone, and it should be good with any colors you're using. Taking this light brown over the same exact area we applied our first shade just to deepen it up. Same exact step with this taupey brown shade. Taking a darker brown shadow, I'm going to be packing this all over the lid, starting closest to the lash line and then blending upward. Remember, anytime you pack on a color, especially if it's dark, you want to go in with a clean blending brush and just buff that into the rest of the colors. I'm taking the first 2 shades that I began with and I'm using that just to buff out the colors even more. Using this vanilla shade to buff out all the edges of the eyeshadow so that way it's not sharp and it blends seamlessly into the skin. Taking the black shade in the palette and stamping it on the lash line with the flat precision brush. After it's all packed on, I press and I flick upward. This will give it a real smoky effect. Quickly curling my lashes and applying a coat of mascara just to prep for some falsies. Taking the same black shade, I'm going to be stamping that on the lower lash line, carefully coming only to halfway into the eye, so not all the way to the tear duct. Then I'm going in with those first 2 shades and a pencil brush to buff out the lower lash line. Adding some brown to the lower lash line, stamping it on, and then I'm going to be buffing that out too. The clip got cut, but I'm taking the lightest shade in the palette to the inner corners. Taking my Rimmel brown eyeliner pencil into my waterline. Coating my bottom lashes with mascara. And that is it, my 5-minute smoky eye look. I hope you all enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a like, comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see next, and don't forget to subscribe.